Okay.
Made it.
I need to find it again. Oh wow. Actually, this is fun. I get an extra life. Oh my god, you guys. I nearly did the most embarrassing thing. But I have to find the third coin now. Oh, it's the same thing. Okay. Maybe a fire flower could have come up this time. Aha, here we go. Okay, I think it's best to get these again. The gold Yoshi. Well, gold baby Yoshi. The Yoshi is... The classic Yoshi is not the same as the baby Yoshi. Okay, well... We can speed up until one point that we find the third coin. Let's see. Nope, not there. Definitely not there. Let's get some extra lives. Yep, I think I'm going to get 19 lives at the end of this level. I'm predicting I'm going to get 19. Nope, it's neither one of those. Really? Hey, get back. Ha, I got him. And this time he didn't fall for it. Oh, maybe it should be this one. Yep. I actually found the coin. That was kind of too dark. Here we go. Oh my god, mate. At least. Oh my god, 266 seconds. Yep, I was right. My life shows 19. For Luigi, for Mario it's 36. Wait, what? How am I gonna become a midget? What am I gonna turn into if I use this? But I'm not gonna use it. I'm actually not gonna use this for now. I'm not gonna use it until it's necessary. So why would I need this? Stone Slide Tower with Boom Boom. Again, here we go. Ooh, are you serious? Okay, well that's kind of a limit to get this star coin, but... Okay, that's a little bit different than Spiny. That's the one with the spikes, where he actually has more power to walk. Let's see if we can freeze him. It looks rather more like the spiky Buzzy Beetle. Oh my god. You see how I cracked them? Oh, no, I need to get this. Actually, hold on. I need to get this. This is actually pretty important. Oh my god, how did that happen? Maybe I do need the mini mushroom power-up, or what? Let me try it again. Jeez, it does seem pretty hard to get this coin, but... I mean, not easy, but... Okay, this one is easy as heck. But the next one might pretty likely change. According to its difficulty. See, sometimes you just... Like, the pretty difficult thing about it, actually, is that you have to get up so fast. Like you don't have a lot of time. Yes! Jeez, that was so not easy. That was absolutely not easy. But, okay, you know what? Let me wait for at least one of those so I can crash them. Let's see how I can crash them. Okay, wait. Yeah, they do come pretty slowly, actually. They're not as fast because they're buzzy beetles. Now, oh, it didn't work. Surprised it didn't work, actually. It should work. Why didn't it work? What? How am I supposed to do that? Now. Maybe that's correct. Maybe that shows correct. Let's... Oh my god. Oh wait, I can't kill him. What? Now how am I gonna get on top of these? Okay, I guess there turns to be something more important. Maybe there's a star coin. Uh-oh. Oh my god. This is... Yes! At last. But why do I not have one of the coins? Oh my god. Jeez, now I'm gonna come back here again. Now I gotta come back here again to get this coin. Oh my god. I have to fight Boom Boom and everything. Ah, yeah, you're laughing so much. As I hear. It's actually kind of witch business when he lights up all that stuff, you know? Is he trying to play... Oh my god, is he trying to do like home run or what? Ha ha, take that, home runner. Home runner, Boom Boom. Yep, you are a winner. Boom Boom is a loser. You are a winner. Okay, well. You have to get the third one again. Okay. Oh, wow. How cool. Oh, again, this castle. Which normally the games start at that world for Mario U, Deluxe, and the classic version, that's where it ends. I'm in the classic U version. Oh wait, is that like a tornado? Imagine, in this game, there was rather a weather channel, and in the series, it goes like, the Super Mario Brothers land has reported a tornado coming to your side. It's like a tornado warning. It's like when you check the weather forecast and you find there's a tornado. Like you check your National Weather Service and the guy says there's been a tornado warning issued. Wow. Just like that. Just like that. Okay, this time I got 20% easier. But still, we need the other 80%, bro. Oh! Oh my god! That was actually something I didn't know. Ah! It's not enough for him to get through that pipe. Okay, now it is. Okay, yeah, now it is. Yeah. Okay. Oh, really? Why can't I just... Wait, what? I guess I make a special connection. No, that's still not the case. Nope, it is not. I am sure, however, that I have to go through this little pipe. That is actually the hard part of building ourselves up. But there's no secret here? Where could the next coin be? Huh, why don't we check? Oh, this red pipe would work. Oh my goodness. You have to be kidding me. Oh wait, what am I doing? Oh, okay, this is gonna take some time, you guys. Oh wait, oh my god, this is kind of hard to get this coin, you see? Oh, really? Oh well, maybe I won't get it. Oh, I was almost there. How long is this gonna take? Ooh. Yeah. Now the hard part is over. At least the very complicated part is over. My goodness. That was so insane. That was very insane. I couldn't believe it. I actually couldn't believe my eyes when I saw it. Oh, wait, let me get that. Here we go. Now let's go through a door. Enough, Mr. Turtle, enough. Because of you, I'm getting killed. And now because of you, I have to hardly fight Boom Boom. Yep, again. Here we go again, Boom Boom. Here we go again. Haha, I have to kill him now. Okay, come on, let's kill him, let's kill him. Yes! Yeah! Yeah! We did it! We did it! We did it!